So Mani is the most amazing person I know. We met around 4.5 years back in Pune while we were doing our post-graduation, and it started as a friendship, and obviously we never thought that it could be possible. But like when we started, we knew we liked each other. Whatever I was looking for in a guy was everything was there in him. But of course, because of so many differences, we knew it was very difficult. But he still wanted to be positive. He said like,
Yeah, I had my 0.1% probability.
he said like, let's give me that 0.1% positivity that it can still be possible. And from that 0.1%, here we are to 100%. He's so kind and generous. He's really,
I'm not generous, I love you.
and I love you too.
I don't know why, but keeping you happy keeps me happy. It's just that simple.
What else can I need? So these are the bigger things, the smaller things, like suppose if I want to have pizza, he'll suddenly say let's have pizza, and you know that will just make my day because I want to eat pizza when I want
the
to eat
fortunate
pizza. I
thing
don't
is-
want to eat Chinese.
For me, it is all about to care about small things. And for her also, taking care of small things makes her more happier. Any bigger gifts or surprises, it doesn't matter which surprise. The surprise itself matters.
Yeah, he's the most romantic person there can be. Like really, I'm not exaggerating. Guys are not romantic, but he's so romantic. He has made beautiful scrapbooks for me.
The first scrapbook I had ever made.
Yeah.
That was spontaneously.
Yeah.
Simultaneously doing ICU duty.
Yeah, and he plans like I love my birthdays and I want them to be really good, and he plans amazing birthdays for me. It's like opposite to each other probably. Like he's this samajdar, mature person, and I am well the opposite.
I think that is why it should be.
Yeah.
To make a better coffee. One should be pampered and other one should be pampering. So I love pampering you.
And I love being pampered.
That's it, as simple as that.
So whenever if we are having, the best part about our relationship, what I feel is that whenever we are having a rough day, you know, whatever, everything in the world goes wrong, and just one hug, it just solves everything.
Every time.
Yeah, one hug and you just find the peace in the world, and then nothing else matters, and you know what's important, and the important thing is there, and
I love you.
I love you.